Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to create a bucket and upload an object. So we'll click here S3. So as you can see here, you can see two buckets being created. And now you can see on the left hand side, there are different types of buckets like general purpose bucket, directory bucket, table bucket, vector bucket. So today we'll go and learn general purpose bucket because we can upload any kind of object to general purpose bucket. Click here. Now we'll create bucket. So bucket name has some rules. So there should be 3 to 63 characters in a bucket and no space between, and bucket must begin and end with letters or numbers, and the characters should be A to Z or 0 to 9. Dot and hyphen is possible. So let's create a bucket. Hyphen. Now we'll not give anything, we'll just go and create a bucket. Now we have created the bucket, you can see AWS Rhythm bucket. Click it, upload. We'll upload a file. Open, upload. So now you can see this file is being uploaded. We'll go to the bucket. Now you can see the file. We'll click the file and we'll pick the URL. We'll copy and paste. Enter. As you can see, you cannot see anything which we have uploaded here. Why? Because we have not given any permissions for the bucket. So let's go to the bucket and give the permission to view the object. So we'll go to bucket. As you can see, this is bucket. I'll pick the bucket. And here in permissions, we can see block public access, means nobody can see the bucket. So we have to disable it. Open, click this and save changes. Confirm. So that is done. Now if you see, refresh it, still you can't see. So there is something else also to be given to the bucket, that is ACL. We'll go down. You can see object ownership. So ACL is disabled, you can see on the right. ACL disable. All objects in the buckets are owned by this account. Access to those bucket and objects are specific using policies. So we'll edit here. It's disabled, we'll enable it. And we'll give acknowledgement, enabling, and save changes. So now the ACL and bucket access of public access policy is being enabled. So let's click refresh. Still we are not able to see. Why? Because now we have to give object public access. So now we see the bucket. We'll open the bucket. Bucket is been public, everything is fine, but object is not been public. So we'll click the object here and just go on the actions here. Go down. You can see make public using ACL. Just click this and you can see the object here. Now make public. Now if you go and refresh, you can see the object. So this is how you make an object public. You're using S3 and ACL and public. This block access should be disabled so that everybody can see the object. First you have to do everything on bucket level, then on object level. So now let's delete the S3 bucket. So we'll go pick the bucket and we'll try to delete. So it says bucket is not empty because there is objects and files in the bucket. So we have to first delete the objects, then only we can delete the bucket. So we'll go to the bucket, open the bucket and first delete the object. Permanently delete delete object. Now you go to the bucket, you can see the object is being deleted. Now you can delete the bucket. Go to bucket, pick the bucket, and now delete bucket. Now you can see there is no bucket here. This is how you do deletion of the bucket. While before that you have to delete all the object, then you can delete the bucket. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.